we are going to talk about article a. Now, we had already talked about article a in our previous lesson. So we are still going to learn about it for us to understand it better and how it is supposed to be used in a sentence. So make sure that you are paying attention. Now, in our previous lesson, we say that an article is a word that helps to add a meaning to a noun. An article is a word that helps to add meaning to a noun. And with article a, it is only used with words that start with a consonant sound. Article a is used before words starting with a consonant sound. So I'm going to write it. Article a is used before words with a consonant sound. So article a is used before words with a consonant sound. When you want to introduce a word that starts with a consonant sound, you can use article a. However, it is only applicable with countable nouns. So article a is used before words that start with a consonant sound, and the words or the nouns should be countable, something that you can easily count. So it is used to introduce countable nouns. So article a is used to introduce countable nouns, and therefore it is used in singular. It is used in singular form. So this is just a reminder of what we had already learned in the previous lesson, that article a is used before nouns or words that start with a consonant sound. However, it can also be used to introduce a countable noun, and it is always used in singular form. So let's go through a few examples, then later we shall go through the assignment I gave you, and finally I'll add you more work. So for examples, I have Juma has a new bag. Now, Juma has a new bag. The article a has been used to introduce the word bag. It starts with a consonant sound, and also it is a countable noun. Another example, I have a puppy. I have a puppy. So I have a puppy. Look at the word puppy. It starts with a consonant sound, and therefore we shall use article a to introduce the word puppy. I have a puppy. Another example, she is drawing a nice picture. She is drawing a nice picture. Now the word nice picture starts with a consonant sound, and therefore we shall introduce article a before the word to add meaning. Can have one more example. Mary bought a new uniform. Mary bought a new uniform. Mary bought a new uniform. Now look at the word uniform. It starts with a vowel later, but when you say the word, it produces a consonant sound. A new uniform. U is not a vowel sound, but a consonant sound. That is why we have sound a before the word uniform. So Mary bought a new uniform. So these are just more examples on how we use article as.